What do you imagine when you hear the word paella? A luxurious dish loaded with giant prawns, mussels, and a glass of ice-cold sangria by the sea. Well, what if I told you that authentic, canonical paella was originally a poor man's food, thrown together with rats and snails? Today, paella is an official cultural heritage of Spain. In this video, we'll uncover its true history, look at the original recipes, and cook the real Valencian paella right in your kitchen.
Let's cook. Here is the step-by-step recipe for a modern, canonical Valencian paella for 4 persons.
Ingredients: Bomba rice, 400 grams. No substitutes here. You need this specific short-grain Spanish rice that absorbs 3 times its volume in liquid. Chicken media kilo and rabbit media kilo, chopped into small, bone-in pieces. Flat green beans, 150 grams. Lachuite Lima beans Garrofó 100 grams. 2 grated tomatoes, skins removed. A pinch of natural saffron, and a teaspoon of sweet paprika. Olive oil, salt, water, and a sprig of fresh rosemary. Full recipe in the description below the video. Let's start cooking. Step 1. The meat. Pour olive oil into the pan and generously sprinkle salt around the edges to stop the oil from splattering. Sear the chicken and rabbit until they get a deep, dark golden crust. This crust is the foundation of our rich broth. Step 2. The vegetables. Push the meat to the outer edges of the pan. Drop both types of beans right into the center. Saute for 3 minutes and paprika. Stir quickly so the paprika doesn't burn and turn bitter. Step 3. The rice, the most crucial moment. Pour the rice in a straight diagonal line across the pan, from handle to handle. The top of the ridge should slightly peek out of the broth. Then, evenly spread the rice across the surface. And that's it. From this moment on, forget about your spoon. Stirring paella is strictly forbidden. Otherwise, it will release starch, and you'll end up with a mushy risotto instead of a paella. Step 4. The secret of socarrat. Time to turn off? No. For the very last minute, crank the flame back to maximum for 1 minute. Listen closely for a distinct crackling sound. This creates socarrat, the delicious, caramelized, crispy layer of toasted rice at the bottom of the pan. This is the absolute best part of the dish. Now, turn off the heat, cover the pan with a clean towel, and let it rest for 5 minutes. Authentic paella is eaten straight out of the pan using wooden spoons, moving from the edges to the center. It's a dish meant to bring people together, a true symbol of sunshine, warmth, and Spanish lifestyle. I've left the full recipe and exact measurements for you in the description below. Let me know in the comments, would you ever dare to try the historical version with water rat? Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next Spanish adventures. Enjoy the video. please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next Spanish adventures. See you in the next video. Thank you for the watching.